Who's still using CapturePost? A lot of people, I assume. Yeah. Have you ever had a situation where you've lost a CapturePost T&J? Like it's been corrupted, or you've lost the match information. You've got the images, but you've lost the job basically, or part of the job. It has happened. It's rare, but of course it's a major nuisance. You could go through and shoot your 1,000 kids. They're all nicely matched through CapturePost, and you've got your images stored on the laptop and on an external drive, because CapturePost can store the images on multiple locations. Then the laptop gets stolen. That's bad enough as it is, but you've lost the T&J file with all the matching information. That's one example. At the end of your photographers forgot to save, and they try to then save it all at one hit, and it gets corrupted, or for whatever reason, something happens to the T&J file and you don't have it, or don't have all the matching information in it. We always recommend your shoot cards, you keep them in the order that you shoot, so you can go back and manually match. Because you've got the images. We now have a better solution. Let me show you. I have a job, I've just called it CapturePost Lost. If that's in the database. You see all the match, theoretically, it's a made-up scenario. This job came back from the photographer in the T&J, and for whatever reason, we don't know why, all the matching information was lost. Or maybe the T&J file was lost itself. It was inadvertently deleted, or the laptop was stolen. But you got the data, you can re-import it, and you've got the images. But you don't want to sit there now and rematch 1,000, manually now, have to match 1,000 kids. What we do know about CapturePost, images. These are the images for that job. The first, how many digits? 3, 6. The first 8 digits are a random number. CapturePost will always prefix your images with a random number to make sure that you never get 2 images named the same. But you may or may not know that the digits in parentheses, just before the .jpeg, are the kid's ID, are the unique field. That's the way CapturePost names its files. So armed with that knowledge, we now have a new import function in Neopack, DataPost, anywhere, in images mode. So here, match to subjects as per CapturePost naming. XXXX, the random number in front, then the subject ID dot extension. If I do that, browse for my images. Where are they? I won't bother rotating them and stuff. So what it's going to do, as it imports them, it strips away, it ignores the random eight digits in front of the name. It looks at the ID inside the parentheses. It knows from the data, it's got that in the data, and it uses that to match. And that they come in all matched. So you've rescued that situation.